I just wanted to make a quick video for you all. I think I owe you all a bit of an explanation, really. I'm in France at the moment, and I've been planning for quite a while to get out of the UK and come to France and live here, rather than the UK, which seems to be in just a death spiral at the moment. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, the guitar channel has slightly paused at the moment, not because of this trip actually. The channel has paused because the atmospherics in the UK just make it impossible to spray and finish competently. It just doesn't set. So I'm here in France looking for a new home and a new workshop, as we plan to relocate here permanently if we can. Nothing's set in stone at this point, but that's our intention. Looking for a new home, but I will be going back to the UK, and there will be part 7 of the Les Paul build coming up quite soon. I'll definitely get it finished within the next few weeks of my return. But I hope you will all bear with me, and please don't lose the faith. And I look forward to sticking up another episode soon and getting all your responses. And if you can, please subscribe. I'm still doing this. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Well, I am, but I'm not, you know, figuratively, but geographically. You know what I mean. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you all soon, and thanks for watching.